Here I've got REALME X50 5G, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, tap on Start Chat, and as you can see currently we are set up with English. If you would like to change it, just tap on the settings icon, go to the languages, tap on Add Keyboard, and here from the following list, which is pretty long, you can pick the language that you want to apply. So as you can see, everyone will find something suitable, because I believe that almost all languages are included here. So just mark the language that you would like to apply, tap on Done, remove unnecessary language by tapping on it, and then click on bin icon. And as you can see, from now on, keyboard language is changed, so you can smoothly use it. Then if you'd like to go back to previous language or maybe change it again, just mark the settings and perform the same operation as previously. And now we are back in English. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.